grand prize, open bar, tons of fun. I'll be there. Josh will be there. Hannah up in the air. And a bunch of other fun folks who love the show. So go online right now, kskids.com. Click on the link in one of our streams, and if you can, like I said, if you can just make a donation, if you don't want to come or if you can't come, we would love that too. 855-765-1045. Quick break. More of your calls, I promise. Coming up here in just a minute. Stay tuned to the Marquet Show. More coming up next.
This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
5-day forecast brought to you by Wakehoff's Air Conditioning. When your AC breaks, we get there fast.
Has a little blue pill let you down?
I'll be right with you.
All right.
Yeah. Have a good day. You're welcome. Thank you. Go ahead with your order.
Yes, may I please get 3 junior bacons and 3 crispy chickens?
Anything else?
No, thank you.
11:18.
Has been charged with second-degree murder after a man in his 30s was found suffering from single gunshot wounds at Blvd. The victim's name and details of what led up to the shooting have not been released. Our top national story, Moderna, says new results show its COVID-19 vaccine works well, and it will seek emergency FDA authorization in the U.S. and in Europe. Fox's Tony J. Phillips has more.
Moderna CEO Stefan Bancels credits cutting red tape and collaborating with the government as part of the vaccine's success.
The collaboration with the NIH and Dr. Fauci team has been remarkable in terms of the science.
Moderna is expected to present its data to the review board on December 17th, a week after Pfizer does.
Moderna is also expected to have 2
Thank you.
billion doses ready in the U.S. by the year's end. Governor Ron DeSantis is holding a press conference at noon today. We will have a recap and more information following his announcement this afternoon. It's a sprint to the Christmas break in Congress with a lot of unfinished business.
The biggest unfinished item is a new package of aid for individuals and businesses hit by the coronavirus outbreak. The House approved a several trillion-dollar package almost 6 months ago, but nothing has made it through the Senate as yet.
Washington insider Jamie Dupree reports a deadline for a government funding lapse and a possible government shutdown is in less than 2 weeks. In an effort to combat the progressive group known as the Squad in the House, some newly elected Republicans, including Florida Representative-elect Byron Donalds, are forming a group called the Freedom Force.
They want smart policies. They want to follow the Constitution. They want individual liberty. They want freedom. And so whether it's myself, Burgess, Virginia, Nicole, Stephanie, whoever, we're here to say we're a fight. We're a stand against that. We're going to support the Constitution. We're going to support free markets. We're going to support individual liberty. And we're going to take that message to all voters across America.
The new group also includes former NFL player Burgess Owens. WOKV News Time is now 11:32. We'll take a look at your drive, today's weather forecast, and more on the Marquet Show next.
Hey, Alexa.
How about we listen to WOKV?
Yeah, great idea.
We're always just a shout away from your favorite smart speaker.
This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
As the seasons change, there's one thing that never changes: the importance of clean drinking water. A Connecticut system from CGC Water removes up to 99% of contaminants. That's clean. Right now, CGC Water is offering a free A200 reverse osmosis drinking water system with the purchase of a Connecticut Premier Softener. Connecticut Premier Softeners are non-electric and have twin tanks, making them super efficient, saving you money. If you're not filtering your water, you are the filter. Schedule your free water test today and get peace of mind knowing your family's water is safe.